You've come to our easy to follow and concise 10-step guide for how to draw a coffee shop. We are all familiar with the cozy atmosphere, enticing aromas, comfy chairs, and hum of conversation that fill all coffee shops. Now let's channel all these qualities of a coffee shop while following this guide for drawing one. Grab a cup of coffee, gather your art supplies, and get ready to start this fun drawing tutorial. Step 1. Draw the sign and roof. Begin by drawing a rectangle on the upper right area of the paper. Make sure you leave plenty of room below for the rest of the drawing. This is the sign of your shop. Step 2. Fill in the storefront sign. On the left side of the very first rectangle you drew, add a small coffee cup with a few curving lines rising above to symbolize a hot cup of coffee. Look at the reference photo for how to draw the cup. Step 3. Add trim to the roof. Draw a line formed by repetitive semicircles below the roof line. This is the trim hanging down from the roof. It creates a warm, friendly look for the shop and adds some style. Step 4. Form the building, windows and door. In this step, we are going to form the shape of the shop itself. To begin, create the main shape of the building by drawing a large box in the remaining area of the page. This should extend down from the sides of the roof as shown in the photo. Once you have the central rectangle, draw two rectangles within it, a vertical one on the left for the door and a horizontal one on the right for the storefront window. Step 5. Add detail to the door. Above the door, draw a semicircle. This is glass above the window. Divide the semicircle up with 5 slanting lines. They should converge at the top of the door. Step 6. Add more detail to the door. In this step, we will create panes on the door. Draw a smaller rectangle inside the door. Next, divide it up into 8 equal squares to form the panes. Finish it off by adding a small circle on the middle right of the door. This is the door handle. Step 7. Add a cactus out front. Draw a long semicircle to form the central part of the cactus. Next, add limbs to both sides of the cactus. Do this by drawing a horizontal line outward and then upwards, and then close the shape. Step 8. Add a plant next to the building. Let's add another plant to the setting. In the trapezoid shape next to the building, draw a line extending upwards. Form another branch by adding another line slanting outwards. Then, of course, add some leaves throughout the plant. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Brown. Greener. Wheat color.